Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Tosin and welcome to another episode of Elder Living with Tosin. So in this video, I'll be sharing 12 herbs and spices that I use in my cooking. So before we dive into this video, do not forget to like, also subscribe and share this video. So let's dive into this. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with the herbs, and here we have different types of herbs, from the fresh ones to the dried ones, and I'm going to tell you where you can find them also in Lagos. So I'll start with the rosemary. So I actually use this a lot. I use this for my cooking, the fresh ones or the dried ones. For the fresh one, I actually use it in baking too, so that way it gives my meals flavor. And for my stews, I use the dried ones. So rosemary helps to improve digestion and circulation. So I got this bottle from ShopRite in Lagos. You can get the fresh herbs. You can check out Simply Green Farms on Instagram. They can deliver to your house. Alright guys, so this is one of my favorite herbs, and I add it to my cooking, any of my stews, stir fry. I actually love adding this to all my meals. So you can get oregano in any store in Lagos, mostly ShopRite, Oregano, local stores, anywhere you can get. This is available, so it's not really scarce, but it's good for your cooking. Alright, so this is the next herb that I use in my kitchen. You can use this basil. You can use the basil leaves in your salads, in your soups or sauces. And basil actually helps prevent inflammation and also boost metabolism. And guess what guys, you can actually grow these herbs in your garden. It helps you save more money, and again you can get your herbs fresher. So what am I trying to say? You can still get the dried ones, it's still good, but if you grow these herbs in your garden, it saves you more money. So the next one is thyme leaves. I'm sure you all know about thyme. It's not new. Everybody has this in their kitchen. You add it to your jollof rice or fried rice. You add it to your soups and stews. So thyme is a good source of vitamin C, fiber and iron. So you should add this to your cooking anytime you want to make that sumptuous meal. Alright, so the next one is mint. And I got the fresh one and I have the dried one. So you can add the fresh ones to your water. I'm going to drop a link to a video where I talked about infused water. And for the dried ones, you can add them to your smoothies. So this also helps with bad breath and also helps to relieve indigestion. So this is also good to add to your diet. Alright guys, so we are talking about dill, and this is one herb that I love to add to my meals. So for the dried ones, I add it to my sauce, my stews. For the fresh ones, this is the front and this is the back. You can add this to your salads. So dill actually helps to improve your skin and vision. So guys, we are moving next to the spices, and I'm going to start with paprika. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with this brand and also with this spice. It's popular, and you can add this to your soups, your stews. If you want to saute anything, because I use it mostly for my chickpeas. It gives it that color and flavor. So I love to add this to my meals. So guys, the next one is coriander, and I got this in Nairobi, Kenya. So you can check this out in any local store here in Lagos. It's available. I have seen it on the shelves, so it is not scarce to find. But I love to add coriander to my meals, my soups, my stews, because I love the flavor. It smells very nice and it makes my food very flavorful. So you should try it. Alright, so the next one is turmeric. Okay, so it's in this spice jar because I can't find the container again. So, but you guys can say this is turmeric, and turmeric has so many, uses. You can use it for your soups, you can use it for your stews. You can also, use it for your face masks, you can use it for your hair. It has a lot of benefits and all. So turmeric is one of the things that I add to my soups, my meals, and it's good for cooking. So the next one is Garam Masala. This is one spice that I discovered late last year, and since I got to know about it, I just had to add it to my own collection. So Garam Masala, what I use it mostly for, I use it for my lentils, when I cook my lentils, when I cook my soups, and it's one of the most popular Indian spice. I'm sure most of you know this. For those who love spices, this is one of the most popular Indian spice. I also got this in Nairobi, Kenya, and I use it for my stews, my soups, and it is good for cooking. Cinnamon! I love this. This is the grounded cinnamon and this is the sticks. So I'm sure you guys watched the video when I talked about infused water, and I showed you guys cinnamon sticks, and some people ask, so where did you get the sticks from? So guys, I actually got the sticks from Eden Acres. They're here in Lagos and it's available from them, so you can add this to your water or anything. But this is the grounded cinnamon. So I love cinnamon. I love cinnamon. I had it to my muffins, my bread, I had it to my smoothies, I had it to my soup sometimes. So cinnamon adds flavor to my meals. Alright, so the last spice I'll be talking about is cayenne pepper. So I love pepper as a Yoruba girl. More like it, ata. But this is dried cayenne pepper that I got from Eden Acres. They're also available on Instagram. So I had this to my soups, my stews. I had it to anything I know that I need pepper with. But seriously, this is good and I love it. Yes. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this episode, and I'm sure you've learned one or two things on how you can mix and match your herbs and spices in your cooking, your stews, salads, soups, anything. It could be anything. So guys, let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. But before you leave, do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and also share on social media. You can tag me at Tosin. I can't wait to read from you. So guys, until next time, stay healthy and bye for now.